We are Titanz Plumbing and Air Conditioning, a local family-owned company proudly serving Southwest Florida since 2007. Fully licensed, insured, and equipped to solve any plumbing problems like water leaks and clogged pipes. Titanz also specializes in repiping, leak detection, slab leak repair, and water heater installations. We are the trusted choice for professional, courteous, full-service plumbing solutions in Southwest Florida. At Titanz, we do solemnly swear to run a fair and honest business. That's a promise to all our customers. One that's helped us achieve more 5-star Google reviews than any other plumbing and AC company in Charlotte and Sarasota counties. Our flat rate, honest pricing also means you'll know the exact cost of a project before any work begins. That means no surprise charges. Have a plumbing emergency? Our highly rated team of customer service professionals are standing by 24 hours a day, ready to deliver 100% satisfaction. So call Team Titanz today at 941-875-9669 to schedule an appointment or request your free estimate. That's 941-875-9669 or visit calltitanz.com for all your service needs.